Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do basic matrix operations on a graphing calculator. So if I go to my matrices, second matrix, I have matrix A defined, that's 2 by 2. In order to do some of this, I'm going to have a second matrix. So I'm going to create a second one. And for this tutorial, because we're using addition and subtraction of matrices, I do need my matrices to be the same dimensions. So I'm going to define a second matrix, matrix B, which is also 2 by 2, and then I'll just throw in some random values. All right, so now I have two matrices, A and B. And what I can do with that is I can just do basic matrix operations here. I can take matrix A, add that to matrix B, and that will show me the sum of those two matrices. Or if I want, I can do, let's say I want to do matrix B minus matrix A, I can do that. Or I can even do what's called scalar multiplication, and I could take 2 times matrix A and subtract from that 5 times matrix B, and what that will do is that will actually take every element in A, double it, and then from the corresponding element in A, it will subtract 5 times the element in B. Right? So you can do scalar multiplication, which is just 2 times matrix A or 5 times matrix B, and you can add matrices and subtract matrices pretty easily on a graphing calculator.